Okay, I just wanted to make this video on the new gimbal that I just got in. It came in this morning. It's from China. It's from one of these Good Luck gimbals that only cost like $69. Of course, it did not come with any instructions, and of course, when I got it, it didn't work right. But I knew how to fix it, so here's the deal. As you can see, it is working right, and here in just a second, I'll plug it, I'll unplug it, then I'll show you how. If you have this problem, I'll show you how to repair it. Okay, now, the problem is with this little sensor right here. Sorry, I'm trying to hold the iPad again. This little sensor right here was actually turned around the opposite direction, and the wires, the little white wire plug was inside here, and the wiring was running up through the arm here. And if I would have put the camera on it, it would have the camera would have just pinched the wires and it would have ruined it in no time. So as you can see, I pulled this sensor off. It was epoxy down. I pulled it off and I moved the wires over here to the side, so now it's got full throw. And you have to make sure that when you put this sensor back on here that it's really, really nice and level. So I used a nice thick piece of two-sided gel tape to put it back on there with. I might throw some epoxy down on there here in just a little bit just to make sure it stays right there, because we know it's working now. But before it wasn't working, it would just kick off to one side, sit here and kick like this, or it would go the other way and kick again. But that's the problem with it, is that sensor. This little sensor right here does the whole trick on making this camera level. And I knew that was coming. I've seen a video on this before, so as soon as mine started doing that kick stuff and it wouldn't level out right, I knew that I had to fix that. And I did that, and it seems to be working just fine right now. But that's the gimbal. I'm going to go ahead. I'm just waiting for my drill. My battery on my drill motor's dead, so I need to drill me a couple holes, and then I'm going to install it, then we'll try it again. I'll do another video. But that's it for now. We'll catch up with you guys later.